Okay, Stellan. Now take that and pour it inside.
That's hot.
It's not hot, just pour it inside there. Oh. Wow! Look at Daddy. Wasn't that cool?
That's grape juice.
No, I assure you it's not grape juice. Now we got a big mess to clean up. I gave you too much of the red stuff. Look at the lava. Look at the hot bubbling lava. Wow.
It's red.
Your volcano blew up. What do you think?
Touch it.
Don't touch it. Please.
Hot.
It is. Don't touch it. There's no more in there. What do you think, Stellan? Was that fun? You want to do it again? Want to do it again?
Do it again?
All right, let's have some more fun.